I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the system. Update Windows so core libraries match the game. Next, install Visual C++ redistributables and Directx runtimes because missing DLLs cause errors. Once done, download and perform a clean GPU driver install from the vendor. Use their clean install option or the if needed. You do this to eliminate driver conflicts and outdated runtime files. Make sure to reboot after each major install so the OS loads the new components correctly. You now focus on the game itself. Run a file integrity check in your launcher to restore corrupted files. If the error persists, force the game to use DirectX 11 or 12 via launch options. This avoids unsupported feature negotiation. Then, disable overlays and background recording. These inject hooks that often break DirectX initialization. You should also run the game as administrator and try a clean boot to remove third-party interference. These steps isolate software-level conflicts that block DirectX from initializing. You finish by restoring stability. Reset the game's graphics to low so it can start, then increase settings slowly to find the trigger. If problems continue after runtime and driver fixes, perform a full game reinstall to ensure no lingering corruption. Make sure to collect a DXDiag report and the game's error logs before seeking external support. These show the DirectX device status and driver messages. One key troubleshooting tip: if it still fails, try a different GPU or system to confirm hardware versus software cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.